Welcome to my prize. So today I am the lucky winner because I received the prize from Leon's Lockpad's channel drawing. About 2 weeks ago he made the drawing and I won. So the drawing was because his channel has reached 200 subscribers and he has made 100 videos. So again, Leon's Lockpad, congratulations for your success. And yeah, now I'm really curious to see what he sent me. So I know about roughly what he sent me, but I want to see it in person, of course. So I've opened the package, but I've not yet opened the individual packages. So first of all, he has sent me sweets, and they smell very intensively through the package. So this will be great fun. But I've just read a bit about what's inside and so on, and I found it very funny that they wrote, or that they write, not suitable for people with peanut or nut allergies, as this, and now it comes, as this product is packed in a nut atmosphere. So can you imagine how a nut atmosphere would look like? So where all the nuts are flying around and hitting your face. So pretty interesting description. Nut atmosphere. So, but we are in a lock atmosphere, and now I want to open the little packages one by one, and I have a certain order because I want to unpack the most exciting one, at least for me the most exciting one, at the very end. So let's start with this one. Oops. It's a master lock. And I had one master lock before that gave me a bit of a trouble when picking it, and so I wanna not ruin this video by trying to pick this right away. So, but this will be fun for a little bit later. So thank you very much for the master lock. It came with no key, but doesn't matter. So the master lock. What else do we have? We have another little package. Okay, I take scissors. Much easier this way. Out of here. That's a funny combination lock, or dial lock. We have the combination on the top, written on the top, 3, 4, 6, 7. So doesn't open. 3, 4, 6, and 7, and 3, 4, 6, 7. Doesn't open. 3, 4, 6, 7. 3, 4, 6, 7. I should have better picked the master instead of failing in entering the combination. 3, 4, 6, 7. 3, 4, 6, 7. All the others are lined up with the other side. Oh, well, that's there's a button on the bottom to open the lock. Oh man. Yeah, and it doesn't open when the wrong combination is entered. So I will play with that again, also a little bit later, not now. What else do we have? We have another combination lock. It's a safe style combination lock. The wheel. These are pretty cool. And here we have the combination 16, turn left, one full, no, to open, turn right, 2 or more full turns, stop at 16. Okay. Let's see if I'll make a fool out of me again. So stop at 16, that's here. Turn left 1 full turn past 26. 26 first. 26 second. And now turn right and stop at 8. At 8. And now of course doesn't work. Turn right 2 or more full turns and stop at 16. Okay, stop at 16. That's 16, right? Turn left 1 full turn past above number and stop at 26. Past above number, maybe like so, 26, but I don't think so. And turn right, stop at 8. I can feel discs are moving. Stop at 8. No. So hope you have some time, because I want to open this lock on camera. Stop at 16. Then we have 26. I believe we have to pass it once. Stop here, 26. And then we go to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. And it opens. Okay, so I have opened 2 combination locks on camera with knowing the combination. That's great. So let's continue. Very cool. So what do we have here? We have a kick cylinder. Oh, Psycho by Trackmaster 30. This sounds interesting. I will pick that when I'm mentally in a perfect condition, so that I don't get mad when picking the Psycho by Trackmaster 30. Nice ups and downs here on the key. Cool lock. Wow, works absolutely smooth. Very, very nice. And we have this clear lock here. Also works very nicely. Very, very nice. Cool. So, and with a clip on the back, so I can change the pins if I like. A nice case here. And now comes the main act. That's what I'm really excited about. Don't want to waste time on opening the package, so I will be a little bit rude here. That's the lever lock. 5 levers from Era. Wow. I've never had a lever lock, but that's really exciting for me. Oh, don't need this. Look at the key. So it's symmetric, means it opens from both sides. Oh, beautiful. That's an awesome feeling when you turn it and it's so smooth. Great. And from the other side, also beautiful. Oh, what's that? Click, click. Does it do that from the other side as well? Yeah, click, click. Not sure why it does this, but I will find out, because now I want to open it up and look inside. So stay tuned, I will clean up the desk and get some tools, and then we will have a look inside. Okay, here you see the lever lock already opened, and that's because I've tried 3 times now to get this on camera without success, because always some parts were jumping around, and it's not so easy to get this on camera to show you the parts operating. So now let me try it again. In the top part we have mechanism for this moving bolt here and for the handle. That's not so interesting. But here we have the lever part. So that's what is called, I believe, the lever pack. So that's the stack of levers. There are 5 of them, as we can read from the front of the lock. And I can take out one of these levers. They are under spring tension. Only one, please. So here is one of these levers. That's the little spring wire. And it has one main cutout. And that's the place where this bolt here should go through in order to get this big bolt retracted. And you can see it has false gates, so little cutouts to let the bolt here catch, so that when you pick it, it's kind of feedback that it goes to the right side, but of course not enough so that the bolt would stop here and you would not be able to open the lock. So that makes picking more difficult. Yeah, now I want to show you how this lock operates. Here is the key with the different cutouts, which means you lift the levers to different heights, and these different heights fit to the cutouts here, to the main cutouts, which are also at different levels. So let me see if I can get this to work. So put the key in. Now the key turns this part here at the bottom, and this finally then tensions or pushes this whole thing here where the bolt is on top. And once all levers are aligned, when you turn this further on, then the bolt gets moved to the right side. Okay, now let me see if I can get this to work. So now the bolt cannot yet slide through because it's blocked by the levers. Now when the key turns, you can see that all levers get aligned. And now while turning further on, this part here moves, that part, and now the bolt can slide through. Now it's blocked in the open position, and now when I turn it back, you can see the levers again align, all the slots are aligned, and the bolt can go through. Really, really nice. Yeah, how does it work when we try to pick this? Now I can little sort this out later on. When we pick this, we need to tension the mechanism, so we need to push the bolt to the side. Let me try to simulate this. Therefore, we need to turn this part here. Maybe I take a screwdriver. You can see how it tries to move the bolt towards the levers. And then you will feel when you push the levers up with another tool, when there is feedback, and hopefully you will find the right place, not a false gate, but only the true gate, and then if you're lucky, you will get the lock open. So yeah, that's the basic mechanism. Hope this will stay. Yeah, pretty cool. Really, really interesting. I've never had one of these before. Oops. Yeah, probably I will make a plexiglass cover here to look at it and play with it a little bit, and then I will get myself a 2-in-1 lever pick and try to pick it. Will be a little bit difficult with all these false gates, but when I can watch myself picking it with this plexiglass cover, then I might be lucky. So yeah, Leon's Lockpad, again, thank you very much for all your cool locks and for the sweets. Yeah, that's the main act. So really, really nice. Okay, thanks for watching, happy picking, and bye bye.